We got some PCV issues here on the Mazda Ford Escape 3-liter. This hose is collapsing because it's old and deteriorated. And then my other one down the end here, the rubber is all cracked. So I want to sell you these whole pipes. So it's a hose to a pipe, to a hose, to a pipe, to a hose, to the PCV. They want like $30 to $40 for that one, $17 to $20 for that one. But the pipe's fine, all you need is the rubber. So here it is out of the vehicle. That's up the intake. You can see that's just weird how it's just collapsing, but and then I added this. This is just the wrong thing, which held up, but over here at the PCV, it is not held up. It's all swollen, and the oil has got to it because it's made for heater hose. It's not made for oil and fuel. However, our good buddies at AutoZone, they don't list this on their site, but this is PCV hose. So let's get. I think I'll need a longer piece here because I got to make a bend. Small section here and a small section here. Good as new. Start out here because the PCV is down on this particular engine, down under there. She's a biatch to get to. I got my light down there. There she is. So the reason I knew this was a problem is I went to start my truck and it backfired and it blew the PCV hose off because it was the wrong hose material. And just so yeah, my fault. I mean, I just bumped the key and it cranked and didn't catch, so it backfired and blew that out. So I wouldn't say backfire, is back pressure. Anyway, long story long, let's get these other pieces in there. And don't forget your best friend, silicone spray. Stuff's really tight, so I'm geez, I'm zooming out so you can see. Just put some on the hose. Kind of just giving it all the help I can get here. I'll probably still, yeah, get it started. I'll still get a needle nose pliers, maybe help that on there. There you have it. $5 for a hose, maybe. I'm not gonna go check the receipt. Or $50 to $70 for all those pipes. You do the math. Anyone Ford Escape, Mazda Tribute, Mariner people, what's with there was a recall where they, something about the airbag harness under the seat. It keeps tripping lights for that one and the passenger side. So I've been doing, I just take them off, clean them with a little bit of alcohol and put them back together. It seems to last until you move the seat ever so frickin' slightly every time. So now I just let them hang so there's no tension on pulling the connectors. I don't know, what was the recall? What did they do? Because supposedly it was done and I still get airbag lights. Alright, let's see what happens now. Put this right in front of the airbag. The light's flashing. Still getting the code. Well, I don't know if you have to clear it. I thought once it was connected it was fine. I don't know. Let's see, the light is out now. Yeah, so what it is, it's the passenger seat this time. I think the code is just generic for front seats. I don't think it's left and right. As you see, yeah, I just leave them loose now. I do keep something under this seat. I don't think it's disrupting it, but it was, even when they were clipped up where they belong, it was still tripping. So I don't know. I think the recall was replacing the connectors. Maybe they never did it. I wouldn't be surprised. You know, those Ford techs are Mazda techs.